Creating your first own web assets. This is one of the most exciting parts of an online reputation management campaign because you get to build your own digital presence, what you want to be known as in the world. And the first thing I recommend doing is building a website. Before anything in the world, before doing social media or before doing the articles for suppression that I'm going to show you, building a website is the most important thing. And the reason for that is it always ranks. Once Google learns and trusts, remember this, write it down. Once Google learns and trusts that it is truly your official website about you, yourself, and what you do, and it's detailed and it's filled out, you will have it rank first. Google wants to show the most relevant things about you. It's going to show your website above all articles. However, it does take longer. This is one of the reasons why I recommend doing this first. Building your website first gives it time to rank. It's a web asset that shows the least amount of fluctuation. Generally, if you update it, it will always be first. And you have multiple opportunities to build other websites to rank for your name. Now, this is our business. It's not optimized to rank for my name. However, if I wanted to, there would be a way to do that. So I'll show you in WordPress a quick example of how I would get this website to rank for my name. I would go to all pages. I would locate what my home page is. And I would edit it for SEO. Now I can quick edit it, but that's just the menu. So I'd go into edit itself and I would choose the way that I want this to display in Google. So I would ensure under WordPress. Now you can use anything. I'll give you some suggestions. But under WordPress, I would have an image. So that's going to help. Google's going to say, great, you have an image. Now, if I want to go into other aspects of SEO like the search appearance, I would make sure that my name appears first. This is called the H1 tag. Now, it automatically populates my site title, which is my name, but I could also erase that and just simply write my name. I want you to put your brand name that you want to rank for first. So I put Nadernejad, Online Reputation Management Services. So one really great way to actually rank your name or the title that you want to tag for, the name that you want to rank for, and then what you do. You can use this little symbol to kind of separate it. So what this is going to do is it's going to tell search engines, this is not a part of the same keyword. So we're not ranking for my whole name, Online Reputation Management Services. We're ranking for my name, but we're also talking about what I do. Now, this section that appears in Google is called the meta tag. And I always fill the meta tag out. Now, one great best practice as well is to have a name or the tag that I want to rank for at the front. So you'll see it's at the beginning of the H1 tag and it's at the beginning of the meta tag. Then I continue and I fill out the description. However, I don't put my name in there 10 times to rank. That's called keyword stuffing. If I put my name 100 times, Google's going to see I'm deliberately trying to rank for it. It's going to reduce the quality perception that Google has in my website. So I'm going to put my name in there. I'm going to make sure it's first, but I'm not going to spam, right? So this is a great way to get your homepage to rank. And you don't have to do WordPress. I recommend doing WordPress because you can host all of your websites on one server. It's a little bit more complicated. So you can do that, or you can use something like Wix or Squarespace or some other resources. Look for ways to build your own website. There are AI tools that will allow you to build your website nowadays. So that's a really great strategy. And just look around. After building your website, there's a few other suggestions. First, before moving on to building other sites like the supplementary site that I mentioned, of course, you can build a business. If you have a negative reputation, you're struggling with holding down a job, a great way is to start freelancing to build out a secondary business site. Sure, you may not get clients, but if you continue to create insights like I have on YouTube, which is probably how you found me, again and again on repeat, to be doing one video, one blog post a day, eventually people will come in. So that's a great way to rank twice and get business opportunity. But how do I get this page to rank? Well, first of all, I don't want too much text on the homepage. We want just enough. Explains what I do. We want navigation to be easy, and we want the site to load pretty well. Then I want to fill out some more information and link to other parts of the website. So building out other pages like a biography section gives my website another opportunity to rank in search engines. Now there's a My Story, another opportunity to rank. And I'm doing things like titling these images. This is called alt tagging. Now this is a little bit more into the image suppression portion of this course, but I just want you to know Try to build this out without rushing. Try to make it a fun project that you really enjoy talking about your story because you're building your reputation. Again, these rates need to be updated, but I made sure to expand this as much as I could, A, for clients, but also to rank, and it ranks pretty well for my name. Now, you need to keep this updated. It might take some time to get this ranking in Google, and if it doesn't, leave a comment in the community section. We'll circle back, either myself or a team member, and we'll help you out. So try this. This is your first owned web asset. You can proceed to a second website, but remember, H1 tag, meta tag. Make sure if you're doing your first name, last name, or brand name, that when you use that dash, your second website's about something slightly different. So the first one's my personal site with insights. The second one is my business. So think about it that way. The more quality is, the better it will rank.